Hello and welcome to Crafty Diva Producers. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you're a vet, welcome back. Today we're just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to make pin wraps. Well, not how to make them, but doing the template for them. And then I'll probably do some pictures or post another tutorial once when I'm in the process of making it. But for now, we're just going to do the templates for them. All right, so basically, if you have this creative Fabrica, if you don't know how to make it or don't want to make the template, you can always use this site. And right now, I believe they're having a special. I think you get like $1 for the month, and then so just check that out. They have all kind of things, and make sure you read the rules of how to use them. So for this one so I already have my account, and if I want to put in pin wraps, then here you go. It pulls up a whole listing of wraps that's already made that you could just select, download, and put on your pins. And not only that, they even have a box. So glitter pin box. It will fit in here also. If you click on one of these, it should tell you the sizing of them, or roughly the size. So let's see. So they're about 1.5 by 4.75. So this is, like I said, I have lots of options here. Or you can make your own. And by doing that, I am going to do this in Canva. And in Canva, same process. Now, Canva is different. Canva doesn't have, you can't do like 4.75 or things like that. It only can be basically like the whole number after that. So, if you want to create your own, you can go to Elements. We're just going to do the box first. And we are going to go 4.7 and 4.8. What am I doing? And then 1.5. Alright, so that would be basically what it looks like, right? Right. So another thing we can do, so that's just our template. You can actually do colors, change the color, whatever. Or if you want to get fancy, you can find some backgrounds that you can change. Well, I shouldn't do that. Not that. That was not right. Let's go to my uploads and find. Here we go. So if I wanted to use this, then 1.5 and 4.8, and I can use that as a template. Now I'm going to do that again, right? Because I want to show you something. Let's say you want to target a certain area. Just pull that down. That. Boom. And then 4.8. There we go. See the difference? And you can do that basically with any kind of digital paper background or anything like that. So let's see. Let's stick towards that here. And then and then if you want to put something cute in there, so let's see. Put an initial, or if you want to put a name in there. you can. Boom. Let's change the font. Let's make it something cute or something. Change the size. So there you go. And then you can just print those out. I would definitely fill up the page, but I'm not going to do that right now because I am actually going to be working on a couple things. But you can fill up the page, print them out, cut them out on some printable vinyl, and I don't know, after you print them out on printable vinyl, you can either use epoxy, Bright Tone, or resin. I haven't seen where people use just the sticker paper itself, and then I guess you can just probably do just the sticker paper and then spray like some triple thick or something like that over it and see how it works out. Totally up to you. It's how you want to do it, or you can just test it out. I know people use the printable vinyl sticker papers and all that for everything else, and they just spray some coating on there. So it's worth a try. But what I'm going to do with mine, I am going to use some resin. I probably will do some with some Bright Tone. I don't really use epoxy that much, and I don't want to mix up epoxy just for that little bit because I'm only doing like a few pins. But yeah, that's, all I wanted to come on here and show something nice, quick, easy to do. Again, you either can make your own templates or you can get your templates if you have a subscription for Creative Fabrica, and they have a variety of different things to choose from. Look, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Do appreciate each and every single one of you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a great day. Peace out.